To make this type of cinematic video with OpenArt AI, I'll share the tool link in the video description. Open the website, and you can get bonus credits along with up to a 50% discount. First, create a free account using your email address or Google account. After successfully creating your account, you'll see a dashboard like this. Next, go to Director, then select Director Projects, and click Create New Project. Now, write or paste your prompt here. You can also upload images, audio files, or documents as references. Then click the Guide Me option. This AI will guide you through every scene of the video generation process. Press Enter, and the AI will ask for more details about your video. The generation process may take a few minutes to complete. Once it's finished, your video will be ready. Let's check out the quality. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel.